Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to go over how to get Yarn working. So if you don't know what Yarn is like Facebook's fork or clone, I guess, or I don't really know. I'm not a developer, but it's like NPM. So you can install node-based packages and dependencies and such, but it's a lot faster. I use both, just purely in like a consumer sense, and they're both about the same to me, but if you prefer Yarn, this is how you can get it going. So we're going to cover the Ubuntu instructions because most people are going to be using Ubuntu, so it makes sense. The first thing you need to do is you need to install curl. The reason you need to install it is because, although I do have it installed, it's not a default app. Ubuntu comes with wget. Nobody really uses curl, for some reason on Ubuntu, but once you've got that done, you can download the public key right here with this command, and it will download and add it to your system, and it'll say OK when it's done. From there, you can add the source for the Yarn repo to your system. And next thing you need to do is you need to do the sudo apt update command. Now, if you look through, you should be able to see the Yarn repo is in here, and that should mean it's working. So as we can see, Yarn pkg is right there. So from here, we can do sudo apt install yarn. Now it's important to note that you may have some issues if you have cmdtest installed. That was a warning for 1704. Obviously, we're going towards 2004 and we also have 1904 as well. But, if you have cmdtest, it's important to get rid of it. So once that's done, we have yarn, and you can then do yarn man yarn. If it had a manual entry, you can just run yarn though, and it will. If I was trying to build a package or do something with it, it would show me what it is, and we can see all the little things we can do with it. Anyways, guys, that's how you get Yarn working on Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.